In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear exterior door handle on your Nissan Armada. Located in the back of the door on the outside. Let's get started. When you open the rear door, you're going to notice it's going to have this grommet. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, go ahead and take it out. With the grommet out of the way, we're going to be able to see there's a T30 screw that we had to remove in order to access the exterior door handle. We're going to go ahead and use a T30 socket. You just need to get it loose, do not remove it all the way. With that screw loose, you can go ahead and grab onto the door handle, just apply some pressure, and slide this piece out. Now we can go ahead and grab onto the door handle. You're going to go ahead and slide it that way in order to get it unlocked. And then just pop it out. We're going to go ahead and slide the handle the same way the old one came out. You're going to start in the back. Now you're going to feed it through the front. You're going to get it in position, and now you're going to go ahead and lock it and go in this way. Just like that. Now you can go ahead and install this piece. Simply line it up and push it in. Go ahead and tighten this screw. Do not over tighten, it's going onto plastic. It will break. Go ahead and install the grommet. And now just make sure you test for functionality. That's job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.